Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Sustainable Happiness Week 3rd assignment 3rd. Now the first question is happy employees are more productive than unhappy ones. So these are the option true or false. So let's check the answer. Why is happiness important at work? Happy employees are more productive than unhappy ones. So the answer of first question is A, true. Now the second question is happiness as a state of mind includes dash. So these are the information, life satisfaction, pleasure, positive emotional condition, all of the above. So now let's check the answer of second question. So, what is this state of mind we call happiness? It includes life satisfaction, pleasure, or a positive emotional condition. So, the answer of second question is D, all of the above. Now, the third question is work culture encompasses the dash that guide an organization. So, these are the options: values, value, beliefs, attitudes, all of the above. So, let's check the answer of third question. Work culture encompasses the value, beliefs, and attitudes that guide an organization. So the answer of third question is D, all of the above. Now the fourth question is that serve as the catalyst of for change and act as the driving force behind implementing strategies and initiatives that foster a supportive, inclusive and engaging work environment. So these are the option: HR professionals, supply chain managers, employees, vendors. So let's check the answer of fourth question. Human resources professional play a pivotal role in shaping and nurturing a positive organizational culture. They serve as the catalyst for change and act as the driving force behind implementing strategies and initiatives that foster a supportive, inclusive, and engaging work environment. So the answer of fourth question is A, HR professionals. Now the fifth question is initiatives for following can foster happiness at work except dash. So these are the options: workplace bullying, work-life balance, diversity and inclusion, employee wellness. So the answer of fifth question is A, workplace bullying. Now the sixth question is companies that build the optimum ratio of dash culture for their employees can succeed in generating the best worker performance with the lowest turnover. So these are the option: cognitive and emotional, cognitive and spiritual, emotional and physiological, emotional and genetic. So let's check the answer of sixth question. Question 6, companies that build the optimum ratio of cognitive and emotional culture for their employees can succeed in generating the best work performance with the lowest turnover. So the answer of question 6 is A, cognitive and emotional. Now the seventh question is positive effect in organizations work both as an antecedent and as a consequence of creative thought, stabilizing and dash. So these are the option: emotion, action cycle, affect, creativity cycle, mind system cycle, body emotion cycle. So let's check the answer of seventh question. Question 7, positive affect in organizations work both as an antecedent and as a consequence of creative thought, stabilizing and affect creativity cycle. So the answer of seventh question is B, affect creativity cycle. Now the eighth question is love is a type of dash emotion. So these are the option: unhealthy, romantic, positive, negative. So let's check the answer of eighth question. Question 8, example of positive emotion include joy, gratitude, hope, love, and amusement. So the answer of eighth question is C, positive. Now the ninth question is dash refers to the ability to identify, understand, and regulate one's own emotions as well as the emotion of other. So these are the options: social intelligence, cognitive intelligence, emotional intelligence, behavioral intelligence. So let's check the answer of ninth question. Question ninth, emotional intelligence refer to the ability to identify, understand, and regulate one's own emotions as well as the emotion of other. So let's check. So the answer of ninth question is C, emotional intelligence. Now, the 10th question is dash competence is the overreaching ability to apply different problem solving frameworks to complex sustainability problems and develop viable, inclusive, and equitable solution that promote sustainable development. So these are the option: collaboration, strategic system thinking, integrated problem solving. So let's check the answer of 10th question. So, integrated problem solving competence, the overreaching ability to apply different problem solving frameworks to complex sustainability problem and develop viable, inclusive, and equitable solution that promote sustainable development, integrating the above competences. So, the answer of 10th question is D, integrated problem solving. Now, submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.